Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kelly, and in today's video I'm going to show you my simple eyebrow routine. Nothing fancy at all. If you're looking for glam eyebrows, I'm sure there's a lot of other videos you can find on YouTube. This is just very basic. Only 2 products that I'm using. I don't have anything on my eyebrows right now, so this is what they look like without any product. I trimmed them up a few days ago so they're not as thick as they were before. I used to have very bushy eyebrows as a kid, so I started waxing them, of course. I started eyebrow threading, and for some reason about 5 or 6 years ago my eyebrows just kind of stopped growing in as full as they used to. I still get random little hairs like around here, but I just pluck them and trim them myself, so I don't really have to get my eyebrows done anymore, which is good for some people. So I just wanted to show you guys what I do for my eyebrow routine because I have gotten questions about it, and I just think it's important to know at least the basics because they do frame your face and they kind of finish off your look really nicely. So if you would like to see how I do my natural eyebrow routine, then just keep watching. Okay, I'm nice and close for you guys so you can see what they look like. My eyebrows are kind of sparse in some areas. Missing a little bit of hair right here. That'll grow back though, it's not usually like that. So they're not super thick, but I like to fill them in, especially in the sparse areas, because I like to make them look full. So I'm using my Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Definer pencil, and this is the pencil. It's angled, and the fact that it's angled helps a lot because it helps to make the strokes look like natural hair. I start at the base of my eyebrow and do a light line underneath the beginning of my brow. And now I'm going to continue making light strokes underneath the bottom of my eyebrow. Okay, that's that, very light. And now I'm going to do the same thing on the top and lightly outline the top of my brow. Okay, and now I'm going to fill that in with light strokes that kind of just look like natural hair. Now when I get to the front, I definitely want to be even more light-handed because I don't want it to look too harsh. So I make very light strokes, not even too much because eventually I'm going to blend it. So I'm just going to keep doing that until it's all filled in. Okay, now I'm going to take the other side of my Anastasia pencil, which is the spoolie, and I'm going to gently brush my brows upward, and this helps to blend the pencil in to make it look more natural. So personally, I have long eyebrows, as you can see, so I like that look. I like the feathery kind of brow. If you don't like that, then when you brush it up, just make sure it stays like in the outline of your brow. But I like the feathery look, so I just usually brush mine like that. So once I brush it, it helps me to see if I'm missing any spots. So I'm gonna go back in with the pencil and fill in any sparse places. Okay, so that's done. Now I'm gonna use the eyebrow gel to hold the hair in place. This is the applicator tip. The color is brown, and as you can see, it has little bristles. And just like I did with the spoolie, I'm gonna brush the hair upward and then in its natural direction. And if there's any smudgy spots, you can just lightly use your finger to clean it up. And then once it dries, your hair will stay in the direction that you brushed it in. Okay, and now I'm gonna do that same thing to the other eyebrow. I don't know if I'm the only one, but I have one eyebrow that's always easier to do than the other one, and that's this one. Like, I can do it so quickly and it'll just come out nice. This one always gives me trouble, I don't know why. But ladies, remember, eyebrows are sisters, not twins. They don't have to be identical. As long as they look a little bit related, you're good. guys, so that's it for my simple eyebrow routine. It's a very natural brow. This is pretty much what I do every day. I like it. I like the natural look. I don't like when they're too dramatic. Unless I'm going to like, you know, some special event and it's a special occasion, then I'll add like the concealer and all that stuff under the brow. Again, I only use 2 products. I really like the products that I use, but if you don't have these, you can use whatever you have. But I just think having nicely shaped and filled in brows just completes the whole look. I hope that these tips can help you guys. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. If you're not subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe. And if you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will talk to you in my next video. Bye.